day, my wonderful learners. Today we want to consider percentage increase. Percentage increase is the additional part of a quantity out of a denominator of 100. And this is the formula for percentage increase. Increase over actual amount multiplied by 100%. Let's solve these two examples. Number one, a factory worker earned 2,000 naira in year 1991 and there was increase in his salary in year 1993. He earned 2,500. Find his percentage increase. Let's solve this question. The first thing that we need to calculate is to know the increase that took place. So in year 1993, he was paid 2,500 naira, and in year 1991, he was paid 2,000 naira. So we need to find the difference. So the increase on his salary was 500 naira. So if we want to calculate the percentage increase, now we need to write the formula. Percentage increase is equals to increase over actual amount times 100%. So we have this. The increase on his salary is 500, and the actual amount that he was collecting before was 2,000 naira. So we are going to multiply it by 100%. 20 we eliminate 20 here. 20 here 1, 20 here 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25%. So that means his percentage increase will be 25%. Let's solve question 2. Increase 3,000 by 40%. If you want to solve question like this, the first thing that we need to do is to find 40% of 3,000. So 40% of 3,000 naira will be 40 over 100 times 3,000 naira. So 20 we eliminate 20 here. Then we are going to add 40 multiplied by 30, and that will give us 1,200. So since we are asked to increase 3,000 naira by 40%, 40% of 3,000 naira is 1,200. So therefore, increase, our answer will now be 3,000 naira plus 1,200, and the answer will be 4,200. So by doing this, we've increased 3,000 naira by 40%. Thank you.